house in Texas was a little place called Hamburger Dan's. I spied that old jukebox a playing a song by the truck driving man. Come on, boys, pour me another cup of coffee, for it is the best in the land. I put a nickel in the jukebox, gonna play that truck driving man. She brought me some coffee. I turned around and I called her back again. I said that old song should have fit me, honey. I am a truck driving man. Now pour me another cup of coffee. It is the best in the land. I put a nickel in the jukebox and play that truck driving man. Glory and get off this road and begin. I'll drive that old big rig up to heaven, for I'm a truck driving man. Now pour me another cup of coffee. It is the best in the land. I put a nickel in the jukebox, gonna play that truck driving man. Here we go. Coffee, for it is the best in the land. I put a nickel in the jukebox, gonna play that truck driving man. Gonna play that truck driving man. Gonna play that truck driving man.
Welcome to Carmine's Country Corner. Boy,
Thank you.
That's loud. Is it? It's okay with you, all right?
You'll
Okay,
have to
I'll
hear
talk a
yourself.
little quieter.
You can hear yourself over the chainsaw.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, I think my wife can hear me. She's on the patio at home listening. A lot of reverb too. It's okay. I'm going to leave it because we're going to keep the show going. Jerry.
Yes.
Man, am I happy to see you.
Thanks for having me.
Merry Christmas and all that, and to your lovely wife. And
You know, Sundays are drinking night.
are they really?
Yeah, she's out drinking with the boys.
Is she good for her? God bless her. With the girls, no, Paul, would you do something with that reverb for me?
You want me to do something for you?
Could you, please?
Yeah, what would you like?
I want you to turn the echo down. Do you know how to do that?
I'm not sure I know how to do
Then
that.
leave it alone.
It sounds like the Halloween show now.
Wait, maybe I do. Let me see.
Somebody used it. Anyway, we're here at Carmine's Country Corner, and we're selling Christmas trees. I'm not selling them personally. We have Ron Smith. We put a little post up there. I think you folks probably see it. So what I'm doing is this. Anybody that comes up between 6 and 7 while we're doing the show live that hears the show, if they come up here to 3322 Foothill Boulevard in La Crescenta and they buy a Christmas tree from Ron, you come in here, walk into the show, you'll see us here, walk up to me, show me the receipt, and I'm gonna give you 20 bucks back. Discount off your tree. So, because Ron Smith's my friend, and we decided to come up with a little gimmick thing to get people to come buy a tree and get a little discount. So you don't have to tell him anything. Just make your best deal with Ron, get the tree, and then before you leave, now it's only from 6 to 7. You guys got like about 45 minutes.
Clock's ticking.
And that's it. So, Jerry, what are you gonna do next for us?
You guys want to do like a little swing thing?
Yeah, whatever you want to do, it's your show.
Key to C. We'll just follow me with the key to C.
Don't swing too hard.
I won't,
You
baby.
got a little bit? Check. Oh,
Maybe.
I think it's a little better. Yeah, go ahead.
Well, hey, good looking. What you got to cook? How's about cooking something up with me? 'Cause I'm free and I'm ready, so we can go steady. How's about saving all your time for me? I got a hot rod, Ford, and a $2 bill, and I know a spot right over the hill. Drink soda popping by Christmas trees. If you wanna have fun, come along with me. I said, hey, sweet baby, don't you think that maybe we could find ourselves a brand new recipe? Mr. Carmine Sarda, ladies and gentlemen. I got a hot rod Ford and a $2 bill, and I know a spot right over the hill. Gonna drink soda pop and a dance, it's free. If you wanna have fun, come along with me. I said, hey, sweet baby, don't you think that maybe we could find ourselves a brand new recipe? I got a hot rod Ford and $2 bill, and I know a spot right over ahead. I'm gonna drink some pop and the dance is free. Come up in the next 45 minutes, buy yourself a Christmas tree. I said, hey, good looking, what you got cooking? How about cooking something up? How about filling my tried to squeeze that public service announcement.
You know, everybody always does that song up tempo and they're jumping all over it. Man, you laid it right in the pocket. Good song. I like the way you did. Great. You got a good feel. All right, let's have Paul do one, and then we'll kind of toss it around. And now we get to just put
You know, this year, Carmen,
Yes.
I don't know if you know this, but this year, Christmas and Hanukkah fall on the same day.
Wow.
Wow.
And so if you're looking for a Hanukkah bush, you can get one of those here too.
You probably could, huh?
I think
Same
so.
thing, yeah. Well, come on up. You get $20 off if you buy it through Carmine's Country Corner.
All right.
And we're here at Bob Smith Toyota. And, boy, he's got a lot of trees out there, too. What a crowd
He
he
does.
had an hour ago. That place was packed.
Did you know this was going to happen tonight, Carmen?
Well, I knew he was going to have trees here. I didn't know the setup. We had to go through like a forest of Christmas trees to get to the gig.
We did.
You know, there was like trees everywhere, people, kids running around. It was really cool.
And now we all smell like air freshener.
That's why we all smell like something. But anyway, it's all good.
I came last week. Carmine couldn't get in.
Yeah, I didn't know how it was going to work out. I didn't know if we were going to do the show when I saw all the trees and everything. And then I saw you and I saw Kim and I went,
Well, I guess we're here.
I guess we're doing it.
Now, did we not do it last week? When was the week we didn't do it? Last week?
Yeah, last week you told me you were at Knott's.
That's right. I was working at Nutsbury Farm. Okay, well, okay, guys. Paul, what do we got?
Okay, we're gonna go gambling down in Lake Charles. It's a song about a poor guy who just has some hard luck in a hurricane, and then figures he could fix it by going to the casinos. That's what I figured.
Well, I like it.
What key is this in?
A.
Okay.
That's all you need to know. A, 2 minor, A, B minor, 1 and 2 minor. There's nothing to do. No fives. It's, just don't play.
Follow the.
Vamp in A. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, take me to Lake Charles. I could win $100, buy some milk and mashed potatoes, maybe buy you some flowers. I lost my license when Rita came ashore, trying to help my sister. I dropped it on the floor. So take me to Lake Charles. 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 I swear if you give me a ride over there, I'll buy the buffet and the dress you can wear. 21's coming to me, I can feel it in my bones. I'll have to change my name to savings and loan. So take me to Lake Charles. Oh, take me to Lake Charles. Take me to Lake Charles. Take me to
Gary was pointing at, it threw me off for a minute, and they were dancing out there. We got people in the house dancing. I don't know if I have a dance license for the show. Do we, Paul? I don't know.
Don't tell him now.
Is that Ron Smith? Come on up here, Ron. And bring your lovely wife with you. So we're here at Bob Smith Toyota every week, going on over 4.5 years we've been doing this show. Come on up, step high over the fence. What are we going to do with this tree?
He's gonna want
He'll
his
put it
20
anywhere.
bucks, Joe.
There you go. Thank you, he bought us a Christmas tree. He'll get it too if he wants it.
My wife Iris.
Iris, get over here. You're looking better than he is. Come on over here with me. Come on over here, Ron.
I'll stay here.
This is Iris. This is Ron Smith. Now, Ron and I go way back because he's been selling Christmas trees in this town since what, 71?
Before you was doing upholstery.
Yep. I don't know about that, but very close. You're right. We've known each other a long time. And all my kids remember Ron Smith because they're all in their 50s now. And when they were 4, 5, 6 years old, we bought all our trees from Ronnie.
And all your brothers.
And this is his lovely wife, Iris.
Oh, hi.
And how long you been selling trees?
Me? Well, I'm gonna say 50.
50? Same thing?
Years.
She doesn't look 50, but I guess she said she's been doing it 50 years, so I'm not going to argue with her, I can tell you that much.
I don't see how that could be
So
possible.
Ron, I told them that we worked out a little deal, and that if they came up to see you between 6 and 7, and they ground you on the price and worked out the deal with you, and if they bought a tree before they left, they should walk in here and see me, and I'm going to give them another $20 discount.
All right.
Okay,
All
so
right.
now I don't know how many trees we're going to sell you doing that, but we're having fun, and at least we're trying to do something. We love you, and if I don't see you sooner, next Sunday we'll be back here doing the same thing.
No problem.
And you look busy. You guys are busy out there?
Busy.
Good. God bless you. I love the hat.
God bless God. You know.
God is good. I'll tell you one thing. He's always helped me out. So God bless you. Thanks for coming up, honey. Thank you, guys.
Thank you. Enjoy it. You guys are great. You hear me outside.
We're having fun. Step high over that thing, Ron.
Yeah.
You got it. See you in a minute. All right, now. Okay, Jerry, do another one for us if you don't mind.
You haven't asked.
Goodbye, Joe. You gotta go, me oh my oh. You gotta go, Paul Piero down the bow. Maggie Vaughn, sweetest walk on me oh my oh. So the gun will have big folk on the bow. Well, jambalaya, crawfish pie, let it go, cause tonight I'm gonna sing like a cherry meal. Big guitar, big jar in the hill. So the gun will have big fun on the bike. Out to know till the door, the place is buzzing. Kinfolk come from miles around, by the dozen. Dress in style, go hard wild, me oh my oh. Son of a gun will have big fun on the bike. Well, jambalaya, crawfish pie, leg gumbo. Cause tonight I'm gonna sing my cherry meal. Big guitar, big joy, and begin. Son of a gun will have big fun on the bike. Mr. Garrett Swan. voices buzzing. Kinfolk come from miles around by the dozen. Go dress in style, go out wide, me on my own. Son of a gun, well, I pick fun on the fire. Well, jambalaya, crawfish pie, filet gumbo. 'Cause tonight I'm gonna see my cherry meal. Pick guitar, feel free, joy, Abigail. Son of a gun, yeah, big phone on by Mr. Palmer. Paul Marshall. Well, jambalaya, crawfish pie, filet gumbo. 'Cause tonight I'm gonna see my cherry meal. Pick guitar, feel joy, Abigail. Son of a gun, well, big fun on the bayou. Well, son of a gun, well, big fun on the bayou. Son of a gun, well, big fun on the bayou. Just like we rehearsed it, fellas.
Had a nice little funky feel to it. That was kind of fun. We got Bart doing the camera tonight. He showed up in this beautiful looking coat
Yeah.
with this hat, and it's just amazing. And so I put him behind the camera instead of in front of it, because he looks so much better than all of
That's
us.
from the Kill It and You Wear It.
Yeah, that's what I said. He dressed up really good, better than us, so I put him behind the camera. Figure that one out. Jeez, that's terrible. Bart, would you walk up here for a minute? Give yourself a big close-up. Look at this guy.
Give me my music.
Hey! Just the way we rehearsed it. Hey, Bob,
That's
that
show
was
business,
great.
baby. That's show business.
Swan, are you up for anything? It's cool.
Christmas pie.
Broken hearted me, holding to a memory. Since you've been gone, no matter what I try to be, you're broken hearted me. And I can't explain the way I feel. Every tear I cry is real. Since you've been gone, no matter what I try to be, you and broken hearted me. Swan. I never felt so down and out. Never felt so all without. Since you've been gone, no matter how I try to be, it's blue and broken hearted me. You got it. I felt so down and out. Never felt so all without. Since you've been gone, I don't know what I'm gonna be, but I know it's blue and broken hearted. Never felt so down and out. Never felt so all without. Since you've been gone, no matter what I try to be, blue and broken hearted me. Since you've been gone, no matter what I try to be, blue and broken hearted. Thank you, folks.
Broken hearted you.
It was fun playing with you.
Well, I'll see you.
Yeah, see you later. Show's over. Thank you. Good night. No.
Thank you. Good night.
Hit us with another one, Jerry.
Key of E.
Excuse yourself.
Thank That's alright now, mama, any way that you do. Well, mama, she done told, papa done told me too. Son, that gal you're fooling with, she ain't no good for you. That's alright, that's alright, that's alright now, mama, any way that you do. Gary Swan. She done told me, Papa done told me too. Son, that gal you're fooling with, she ain't no good for you. But it's alright, alright, that's alright now, mama. Your way that you do. Mr. Johnny Plummer.
Well, that wasn't awful.
In the immortal words of Steve Trovato, all the notes were played.
They were great.
Played all the notes.
How's Steve doing?
I don't know.
He
Year
called
from
me a
now?
few weeks ago, so
I-
I want to come do the show.
You don't take my calls anymore.
Yeah, and I called him back, said, well, come do it. And he never called me.
I have the latest on Steve over here at Carmine,
what's he doing?
keyboard
What's he
player
doing?
in the back
Talk-
room.
Talk to me.
They put his picture up on the wall at GIT now.
I saw that.
That's a great honor.
Except it's got a
Well,
dartboard on.
No, no,
superimposed.
no. I heard about that, but I saw that way before I saw his picture up at the post office.
Yeah,
I
well,
already saw his
I
picture.
went down there and exchanged his picture with mine. I thought it looked better.
Well, he was a great teacher and a good man and a great player, so I love Steve. Paul,
And he's still alive.
carry us on here.
Let's do,
Well, Paul tunes a little bit, which we have to do every once in a while. I see the fellas. I mean, I don't really care
Ah,
too
you
much
make me
about
laugh.
tuning myself. But anyway,
That's because
we're here at Bob Smith Toyota. We're selling Christmas trees for Ron Smith. Please come up and try to buy a tree. And
Is he
and
related
We're
to
having
those-
fun. We're going to be doing this the next 3 weekends.
Hey, is he related to the other Smiths?
No,
Completely different Smiths.
completely different people.
How could that
But
be?
we've all been, you know,
Imagine.
I can't.
Mike Smith, who owns the building and owns the car lot place, him and his son Pete, two great guys. And then Ron Smith and Gary was just asking me if Ron's any relation to Mike and Pete Smith, and I said no, but I gotta tell you, we all go back that many years, so we all feel like family, you know. Okay, we're gonna rock and roll.
Key of G.
You got it.
An empty bottle of broken heart.
I love that song.
Long five. One. That's your shuffle. 4/4 shuffle. The 2. 1, 2. The jukebox is playing a honky-tonk song. One more I keep saying, and then I'll go home. What good would it do me? I know what I'll find. An empty bottle, a broken heart, and you're still on my mind. The people are dancing and having their fun. I just sit here thinking about what you have done to try and forget you. I turn to the wine. An empty bottle of broken hearts, and you're still on my mind. pinhead drinking until the bottle's dry. My pockets are empty, like the last glass of wine. An empty bottle of broken hearts, and you're still on my mind. An empty bottle, broken heart, and you're still on my mind.
I was off a half a beat. It sounded kind of like it was planned.
You want to beat off?
Yeah, like a half beat. I was like, something off, but
Sure you jumped the track.
I kept playing. I don't think anybody caught it.
I didn't catch it.
I didn't catch it, and I was playing it.
We'll fix it in the mix.
So what do you think about that? So Swan's not singing tonight. Gary's got a little cold or something.
It's not
She's
a
just back
cold,
there
it's a
picking-
very serious.
Well,
issue.
okay, good, okay. So,
No, I want to tell you, my birthday's Tuesday. I just reminded myself, so. It's,
anyway, Gary, we're still happy to have you.
it's not too late to send presents in if you get them overnight.
And Palmer,
express.
playing great. Playing a lot of fun. Always like working with you. Of course, my brother Paul didn't ask you how the family was. How they doing?
Everybody's good. You know, the whole family, all the kids and all the grandkids came over came to the house for Thanksgiving. And that's a long way, you know. Scott's in
Yeah.
Texas and
Did Scott came into
PJ's in
town?
Northern
Oh,
California, and
good.
everybody, so we were all together for the first time in many, many years. It was very good.
Good for you.
Thanks for
God
asking.
bless that.
Yeah,
He's
it's
got
good.
he's got a wonderful, wonderful family. I got family. Those, no, I'm just kidding. No, I love my family. That was a comedian I heard say that one time. He was talking to everybody, and he picked a nice couple out in the front row, and he said, "Family." And the guy said, "Yeah, you know, my wife and my son-in-law and my daughter." He said, "That's beautiful." He said, "You know, I got family." Those sons.
The five family.
So, I thought that was kind of funny. Anyway, everybody have fun with their family this weekend, and every weekend till Christmas. It's only, what, 2-3 weekends away, right? Man, time's flying by. All right, so Jerry, you want to do another one?
Sure.
Not on the songs yet, are you?
I'm thinking. I
Well-
gotta think. You know, normally I just play the
know
guitar. I don't have to
behind the
think. Let the singers do the thinking.
Yeah,
You
I
know,
got you.
I just stand there and play.
And you do it well. What's the song?
Foothill Boulevard, where everybody's a comedian. Ga, 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 ga. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Little sister, don't you? Little sister, don't you? Little sister, don't you kiss me once or twice? Say it's very nice, then you're wrong. Little sister, don't you do what your big sister done? Every time I see a sister, she with somebody new. She's mean and she's evil like a big old bully. They're gonna try my luck with you. Little sister, don't you? Little sister, don't you? Little sister, don't you kiss me once or twice? Say it's very nice, then you're wrong. Little sister, don't you do what your big sister done? Rock me, Carmine. Well, sister, don't you? Well, sister, don't you? Well, sister, don't you kiss me once or twice? Say it's real nice, then you're gone. Well, sister, don't you do what you do? Sister, don't. Yes, one. To your toes. Well, sister, don't you? Well, sister, don't you? Well, sister, don't you kiss me once or twice? Say it's real nice, then you're wrong. Well, sister, let me do what your big sister did. Well, sister, let me do what your big sister done. Sister, let me do what your big sister done. Done?
Got all that one.
Get all the notes in?
I didn't get over any.
Get all the notes in.
That was a good boy. I played everything I wanted to play on that one. I'm done now. It's a good song. Little Sister.
Yeah.
Even though it's not really a surf beat, it is a surf beat. It's on the solo beat.
We're having fun.
We are.
I'm having such a good time. What, I got 7 minutes? Yeah, well, that's good. Anyway, Jerry, I'm so happy that you came up and played and we're having fun.
Well, it was a long way.
It's a good
Carmine,
show.
it was a
Well,
long
I'll
trip.
have you back sooner. And I'm gonna run this by you, by the way. Any Sunday you feel like just being like a side guy and just having fun, we're here. We start at 6. All you gotta do is, I usually have put the guys like Travato or Bob, people that sit in, right there. And all you gotta do is show up if you want to. We'd love to have you, and we just get to play.
Thank you.
So it's an open door
And I
invitation.
appreciate, these guys letting me play with them.
Oh, well, John kind of gave me a bad time.
Palmer said he didn't have a vote, but I
well,
appreciate it
John,
anyway.
John pouted a little about it, but I talked him into it.
I told him I'd give him $20 if he lets me play with the band. He buys a tree, that means you need $40.
Well, I shouldn't do this, but I'm going to. Going out on the highway, listen to the big trucks whine. Going out on that highway, listen to the big trucks whine. That white freight line is going to satisfy mine. Bad news from Houston, half my friends have died. Bad news from Houston, half my friends have died. white, people they will treat you fine. That old dog will bite, and people they will treat you fine. That white freight line is gonna satisfy now. Jerry Strong! Going on the highway, listen to the big trucks whine. Going on that highway, listen to the big trucks whine. That freight line is gonna satisfy. Now going on the highway, listen to the big trucks whine. On that highway, listen to the big trucks whine. White freight line is gonna satisfy. Now we're gonna play me and Jerry together. Dog bite, and people they will treat you fine. Old dog bite, and people they will treat you fine. White freight line is going to satisfy. Oh, that white freight line is going to satisfy. Well, I guess that's the end of the show because it's 7 o'clock. Thank you, we had fun. Thanks for putting up with Jerry and myself making all that noise and having fun. See you next week. Don't be late. 6 to 7 live. Come buy a Christmas tree and get $20 off if you decide to do that. Thanks a lot. God bless you.